Today we're diving into the top content optimization techniques you need to master in 2025. With the digital marketing landscape evolving rapidly, staying ahead is crucial for your success. So let's get right into it. First up, embrace AI-powered content tools. Artificial intelligence is transforming content creation and optimization. Tools like Jasper and Surfer SEO can help you analyze keyword density, identify trending topics, and provide real-time data to refine your content. Remember, using these tools effectively can automate content audits and ensure your content is perfectly aligned with search intent. Use AI as a guide, but keep the human touch for authenticity. Next, optimize for voice search. With over 50% of households projected to own smart speakers in 2025, voice search is more important than ever. Use conversational language and long-tail keywords to align your content with how people speak naturally. Structure content in a Quanda format for those voice snippets, like what are the best running shoes for marathon training? Prioritizing user experience, or UX, is a must. Make sure your pages load quickly, are mobile-friendly, and feature intuitive navigation. Tools like Google PageSpeed Insights can help you check your page speed, while interactive elements can keep users engaged longer. Don't forget about EEAT, experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. Collaborate with industry experts, link to authoritative sources, and keep your content up to date. This builds trust with both your audience and search engines. Sites like WebMD thrive on expert-backed content. Data-driven insights are your roadmap to effective content planning. Use tools like Google Analytics 4 to study audience behavior and conduct A/B tests on key content elements. The result? Tailored content that resonates and converts. Interactive content is king for engagement. Add elements like quizzes, polls, and interactive infographics to boost dwell time and user interaction. Remember, search engines reward pages that keep users engaged. If your audience is global, optimize for multilingual and multicultural users. Tools like WPML can help you translate content while preserving SEO. Just make sure translations are accurate and culturally relevant. Finally, invest in visual and video content. By 2025, video is expected to make up 82% of all online traffic. Optimize your videos with descriptive file names, alt text, and keyword-rich descriptions. Don't forget those transcripts for accessibility. So there you have it, the top content optimization techniques for 2025. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more digital marketing tips, and visit our website for the complete guide. Thanks for watching.